Hello everybody and welcome to Spoil Yourself. My name is Sheri and I am going to talk to you today about lavender essential oil. So you would have gotten your little sample drams in the mail from us. So they look like this here. So I want you to grab your lavender essential oil sample dram and you're going to hang on to it and I'm going to show you exactly what to do with it at the end of this video. So what I'm going to show you today is how you can use essential oil lavender, the uses for it. This is like a Swiss Army knife in our home. Lavender is such a good oil for your skin. You can mix it with some fractionated coconut oil and use it for a moisturizer for your skin. It is very good for sleeping. We know lavender is good for sleeping because it helps to calm the mind, which helps to calm the body. So it's a great oil to help relieve stress and tension in the body, to have a restful night's sleep. The other thing you can use lavender for, and this is maybe something you didn't know, is for bug bites. So if you have a mosquito bite or if you have an irritating, itchy bite, you can take 1 drop of lavender, put it onto your finger and put it directly onto that area and it will stop that itch very, very quickly. So lavender essential oil, basically it's so many uses. We call it the Swiss Army knife in our house. And you know what, for 11 cents a drop, it's not a bad oil for everybody to have in their home. I'm going to show you right now how you can make lavender into a roller ball. So roller balls, this is what a roller ball looks like. And it's so funny because my roller ball says sleep on it and I need to refill it. So this here, we keep these on the nightstands in our bedrooms before we go to bed. So roller balls are like this here. You can grab them from Amazon, Aroma Tools. There's a lot of places that you can purchase these glass roller balls from. They come in different colors. You can get brown or some really pretty pink and purple colors. I would avoid clear because you don't want to be exposed to sunlight. So you want to keep oils outside of the sun. So here's your roller ball. There's your cap. You can crack off the cap like this here. So simple. And if you can't get it off, then you can grab yourself a butter knife to take it off with, okay? So then what you want to do is take your lavender essential oil and you're going to put in about 20 drops. You count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Okay, 20 drops. And then you're going to get some fractionated coconut oil. This is from doTERRA. Fractionated means it's liquid, okay? So we're going to fill this up here into our roller ball with our lavender essential oil. And you're going to fill it up to right about here. And then you're going to take your roller ball and you're going to put it back on top. Use the heel of your hand and just push down onto the counter like this. And then you're going to take your cap and put it on it. And then you can put a little label on this, call it sleep, or you can get these little oil caps from doTERRA and you can put those on. So basically you have this here in your bedroom before you go to bed at nighttime. So you're going to shake it and then you're just going to roll this topically. So on your wrist, you can put it behind your ears, the back of your neck. If you don't like the smell of lavender, you can just put it onto the bottoms of your feet. You don't need to cover your whole body in lavender. You just need a little bit. Swipe up, swipe down. If you've got some kids and they don't sleep well, great time to have a nice little massage for them. So go into their bedrooms and just put it onto their bottoms of their feet, up 1 foot, down the other, and then just give them a nice little foot massage with that lavender. It'll help to calm their bodies and calm their minds. The oils get into your bloodstream within 2 minutes and 20 minutes into your body. That's how fast they work. Very, very effective. Okay, so this here is our lavender roller ball. So easy, so simple to make. Now, when you buy your bottle of lavender essential oil, you get 250 drops of lavender essential oil in a 15 ml bottle. And the smaller bottles are 5 ml with some of the starter kits that we'll talk about later in the week. And those have 80 drops of essential oil in them. So you can really make sleep roller balls for everybody in your family with your bottle of essential oil and some fractionated coconut oil. So now what I want you to do is grab your little vial that you have of lavender. I want you to take the cap off. They're a little bit tricky. And before you go to bed tonight, I want you to take this oil, turn it upside down to the bottom of your hand so you just get a drop out. There's probably about 7 or 8 drops in your lavender vial. I want you to rub your hands together and you're gonna make a scent tent. Cup your fingers or hands over your nose and inhale, okay? And then I'm gonna take your hands and rub them on the back of your neck. And you're gonna do this before you go to bed tonight. And you'll probably have enough to do this for the next 3 nights with your lavender essential oil sample. Enjoy it. Let us know after you've watched this video that you've watched it. So just say done. Comment in the videos that we have running for you this week. We love engagement in the Spoil Yourself group. The more you comment, the more your name is going to be entered into a contest at the end of the week. We have a prize for somebody on Friday. So enjoy your oils, enjoy the sampling that we have sent to you, and spoil yourself this week in our group. We'll see you guys all very soon. Bye for now.